Okay, now I'm going to talking about I'm going to talk about exchange traded funds ETFs. Exchange traded funds. ETFs are a popular investment option. ETFs are popular investment option. ETFs are popular investment options. That is, exchange traded funds are popular investment options in the stock market, offering a convenient and diversified way to gain exposure to various assets. Here is a breakdown of ETFs for your understanding. What are ETFs? ETFs are essentially baskets of securities, typically stocks, that trade on an exchange just like individual stocks. They track a specific index, sector, or commodity, providing diversification with a single purchase. You buy and sell shares of an ETF throughout the trading day, similar to trading individual stocks. Benefits of ETFs: diversification, invest in a basket of assets with a single purchase, mitigating risks associated with individual stocks. Lower fees generally have lower expense ratios than actively managed mutual funds. Transparency, trackable underlying holdings, and readily available information about the assets within the ETF. Liquidity, easily buy and sell shares throughout the trading day. Accessibility, lower investment minimums compared to some other investment options. Types of ETFs. Index ETFs track broad market indices like the S&P 500, offering exposure to a diversified portfolio. Sector ETFs focus on specific sectors like technology, healthcare, or financials. Commodity ETFs provide exposure to commodities like gold, oil, or agriculture products. Bond ETFs track bond indices, offering fixed income exposure. Thematic ETFs focus on specific themes like clean energy, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity. Things to consider when choosing an ETF. Investment goals: align the ETF's objectives with your overall investment strategy. Underlying holdings: analyze the specific assets within the ETF and their risk profile. Expense ratio: compare fees charged by different ETFs to minimize costs. Liquidity: ensure the ETF has sufficient trading volume for easy buying and selling. Examples of popular ETFs: SPDR and S&P 500 ETF. SPY track the S&P 500 index, offering broad market exposure. iShare Core MSCI Emerging Markets ETF IEFA invest in stocks of emerging market countries. Invesco QQQ Trust tracks the Nas- Nasdaq 500 index, focusing on technology stocks. Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF bond invest in a broad range of US bonds. Overall, ETFs are a valuable tool for investors seeking diversification, convenience, and lower fees. Do your research, choose ETFs aligned with your goals, and invest wisely to reap the benefits they offer. I hope this provides a good overview of ETFs. If you have any further questions about specific ETFs or their advantages and disadvantages, feel free to ask.